Hey everybody, Chris here. In this video, we're going to talk about Dogecoin trading and hitting resistance levels and what else is happening with the news of active addresses for Doge. What's happening with X, formerly known as Twitter? Could there be trading directly on the X app? And a few other tidbits going on. Let's be sure to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Hit that little notification bell so you can be notified when my new videos come out, as well as when I do live streams. And we were talking about Dogecoin as well as Litecoin in my live stream yesterday, because we had the Litecoin halving and it was kind of a nothing burger, really. Litecoin just kind of fizzled out with its trading, but as I showed live of charts that showed in the past, the same thing had happened with Litecoin. So kind of repeated itself, which is good because if Bitcoin repeats itself with its 4-year cycle, the halving next April, that is good news because that would be the beginning of a huge crypto bull market. And we are all waiting for that. But yeah, Dogecoin tumbled down as well. And as we were looking at, as Dogecoin had initially dropped below the 7.5 cent line here, that would then become resistance. And what do we have? We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, almost that one, but earlier today, 5 rejections at 7.5 cents. Could Dogecoin be making another run for it now, come up and reject again? Or could we see a possible move up over 5 or 7.5, and then it would come back and back test it, and 7.5 cents would become support? Well, I think a lot of that is going to depend on Bitcoin. Bitcoin now above 29,000, which is the support for Bitcoin, but it looks like we're looking at about 29.4 for a possible resistance for Bitcoin in the short term. So we'll see if Bitcoin can come up above that and retest, and then we would probably have Dogecoin follow, because Dogecoin really isn't moving on its own. It's kind of moving along with the overall crypto market. That's what we see playing out. So for Doge, again, if we zoom out to the 4-hour, this is what we were looking at during the live stream last night, is the invalidation of what we had of an upward trend that we had, that Doge had broken down below, and now we're seeing more of an inverse cup that seems to be playing out, and we could have a bit of an inverse handle as well playing out right here on the shorter term. So inverse cup and handle for Doge would not be good as trading goes forward. But again, I'm not expecting great moves in August or September unless we get some big swan event. And right now, that doesn't seem to be in the cards in the short term. So Dogecoin, great news. It reaches 5 million active addresses. That's right. With 5 million active addresses, the number of addresses holding Dogecoin has continued to increase, with a big pump in 2021, and it's just continued to rise up since then. The rapid growth of active addresses is a significant milestone, as it indicates a growing user base and, by extension, the potential for increased market activity. So that bodes well for Doge, because you've got then more holders of Dogecoin waiting for the next big run of Doge, which would even invite more new users coming in for Dogecoin. This in the news today: Elon Musk's X, formerly Twitter, to launch trading app. Will Dogecoin play a role? These odd news events, I don't know where they come from, particularly right on the X app, because it wasn't too much later where Elon tweeted out in response to this breaking news: Twitter/X is seeking a financial data giant to build a trading hub inside the app. And Elon responds, "No, we aren't." So I believe Elon. It's like, what do you mean? trading stocks, trading crypto, right? No, that's not something Elon has ever said that he's interested. He's interested in payments, but trading, Elon says no. So that one is kind of a nothing burger. We got a lot of nothing burgers going on in crypto because we're still kind of bearish going on right now. We've got the Doge co-founder, Billy Marcus, ponders Elon Musk's surprise for creators on Twitter. Everyone was excited last week when Elon said, kind of hinted that something special was coming. And it turns out it's really all about supporting creators, possibly tipping coming in, but there's certainly ad revenue, subscriptions have happened. So that is all good for content creators, and Elon's just trying to get people to subscribe to other creators and sort of increase this sort of collective connections across users on the X platform. And then we have K-Money saying if you post mindless hypothetical questions all day on this app, you deserve to be poor. You decrepit asinine drone of a human. And Billy says, if you could make a few $100 a month posting asinine hypotheticals on X all day at the cost of your cred, would you? Because those that have reached these thresholds, these 15 million impressions over the past 3 months, and are getting paid to essentially tweet or now post and keep that engagement going, they continue to get paid. So those that are in the money are just going to continue to do this. And so, unfortunately, for Billy, though, it's just like, here's Billy's post 3 hours ago. What's something you're looking forward to? I mean, Billy, come on. You're much better than that. Yeah, you've got 61,000, impressions already, but I think you're better than that, Billy, because that's really not something that is anything like what you usually tweet or post. And that's the kind of post that's just seeking this false engagement. And I don't know, not really impressed with that one. So, Billy, you got to up your game. That's all I say. You got to up your game. Doge designer making fun of threads. It is reported that the daily user count is down by 82% from when Threads launched, this Facebook Threads thing. Mainstream media was calling it this Twitter killer, and Elon says it committed the cardinal sin, boring people to death. I haven't even touched it, not interested at all. I hang out here on the X app. You can follow me at ChrisPax. Fun video I uploaded today on this drone flight test. Having a lot of fun. Yeah, let's have some fun and make money too. That's what I tweet out and post now on the X app. So follow me if you haven't already there. And just a reminder, do only good every day. We love Dogecoin, love crypto, hanging out together. Also, join me on my live stream on Friday is my next one, 5 o'clock Eastern time. That's Boston time where I am. Come join in. We'll see what's going on across the crypto market, latest Dogecoin and other coins as well. Looks like SHIB is trying to still make a little move, and we'll talk about that as well. So please, if you haven't already, subscribe to my channel. You can get notified when my live stream starts. And also, give the video a like, leave a comment below. Always interested in what you guys have to say. Again, one more time, if you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. I appreciate the support. We'll see you next time.